Doug?
Yes, Aaron?
I was wondering if we could look into something.
Sure, what you got?
Well, it's called a cow watering tank.
A cow watering tank?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Well, I think it would be something nice for... Well, but we have a dog as big, big as a horse. Well, we have a yard. But, it's something that we could, like, relax in after going outside. It's,
So you're talking about, like, to sit in?
Yeah, to sit in. So it'll have a filter. It'll have pool noodles. We'll do some lights. And, it'll be like a whole thing. I mean, we had a pool, but this is something smaller, just like to kind of dip in.
Thing? Is this just a thing, or are you making this up?
It's more of a thing than you know.
What's it called?
It's called a stock tank.
A stock tank pool?
Yes, a stock tank.
Oh, God.
Hi everybody, this is Doug from Doug and Aaron Go Outside, and today I'm in the backyard, which is still under construction. But I wanted to show you what we've been working on, and what that is a stock tank pool. And right here you can see that we have the stock tank pool, and what this really is, it's a tank that you used to feed livestock in, or use it to water livestock. This one is 6 foot in diameter. It's perfect for just Aaron and I. You can get in it. It holds 700 gallons of water. You see it has a pump right here. It filters the water through a filter. Water goes back in just like a regular swimming pool. We put these pool noodles around the edges to make it a little bit more comfortable. The thing you have to be cautious with these things is that it's made out of galvanized steel, and if the galvanized coating gets scratched, it could start rusting and corrode. So what I did was, and I don't know if you can see it real well on the camera, but I put some black around the bottom here. What that actually is truck bed liner. I sprayed it on there because it's pretty solid, and it protects it really well from getting scratches. Also down below it is, there'll be some pictures. I'm gonna put some pictures after this video to give you a few more shots of it. Also, what you'll see down at the bottom is we put a piece of closed cell insulation like you put in walls. We put a piece that's about a 1/2 inch thick, or 1 inch thick, I guess. You put that down on the bottom. I'm getting dripped on because it has actually rained here every day this week. This is the first afternoon it hasn't rained. You put that on the bottom, and it adds padding for the bottom of the tank, because these tanks, although they're very sturdy, they're not super thick on the bottom, and you can actually feel the pavers that it's sitting on down through the bottom. So we wanted that to be a little bit more comfortable, plus more protection against getting scratched on the pavers. But yeah, if you don't have a lot of room, maybe you don't want to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on a pool, this is a good option. I mean, if you think about a pool, unless you have little kids, which, as you know, Aaron and I don't anymore. We have kids, but they're not little. But you're gonna get a pool and you're gonna spend all of your time in the shallow end anyway, just sitting there, maybe floating over it. But most of the time you just sit in the shallow end and talk. This, we sit in it. We come out here in the evenings, we sit in it. The two of us, you can hold 4 people in it easily, pretty comfortably, really. But the two of us sit in it. We have a few cocktails. We sit out here and we talk about the day. We got some lighting in here, as you can see, and it works pretty well. I personally thought it was kind of a crazy idea when she first told me about it, but now that we have it and we've used it and we're making it work, it's a good idea. So I highly recommend it. You can get this tank at Tractor Supply, any kind of farm supply store. We got this one at Tractor Supply. I think we paid like 300 bucks for it. 100 bucks for the pump and the filter. The noodles were $3 a piece. The foam was like $2 a sheet. So you're into this whole thing for way less than $1,000, and you got a place to cool off and relax in the afternoon. So if you think this might work for you, leave a comment down below and tell us what you think. We love it, but let us know what you think, and just remember, this is another way that you can go outside.